What's up, everybody? So this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to migrate your version 1 crown to version 2 crown. So starting from the Discord, you can go to the announcements page. You will find this Medium article here. So we are currently live with version 2, but anyway, you'll find this media article here. You click on it, it'll take you to this website here, Medium, and you can find all the version 2 contracts, the crown, the S crown, crown, MIM, liquidity pools, staking, treasury. You can find all that stuff here. But what we're going to be looking at right now is the process. If you have your crown staked, you would have to come here to the unstaked crown, not the original website, but this version of the website, version 1.MIDASDAO.org. Once you click that, it'll take you here. As you can see, it's a little bit different. You'll have to connect your wallet. So let's go ahead and connect your wallet. Connected. Okay, cool. So now that it's connected, you see here the staked balance, because if you go to the original one, it's going to say 0. Let me show you what that looks like. See, it says 0 here. So you have to go to that one that they have on the list. You're going to come here to unstake, hit max, and you're going to unstake your crown. Now here, this is the second link. Let's go here. Go to https MIDASDAO.org/swap. Approve your crown 1 version token. Swap to crown version 1 for version 2, which will be staked automatically. So you can see it here as S crown from version 1. You can swap all funds. I don't really want to do that. Again, I want to follow the instructions where it says crown 1 version 1. So let's go ahead and unstake. So I'm going to hit max, unstake crown. All right, so MetaMask, I'm going to have to approve this. So make sure you have some gas, some AVAX to cover any gas fees. For me, I usually just keep $10 of AVAX available at all times just to cover gas. So it's not that much. It's like maybe a few cents, but I am also only moving like 4 crowns. I'm going to hit confirm. And all this is just confirming that I'm giving the account access to this particular web page. Right. Hold on, let's go back. I want to see what that said. See if it moved anything. Okay, cool. So it actually did move. I just didn't refresh it yet. So you see 4.885 crown. This is the old crown address. That's why it says old swap me. So we really don't even have to stay on this page and let it refresh. So now you can see on this website here, the swap website, you'll see your version 1 balance. My crown is currently here. So I'm going to go to amount, swap all funds. Actually, hold on. Let me reject that. Let me do it the right way. So I'm going to do this. Come on. Copy. Paste. Let me refresh real quick. All right, here it is. Again, let me do this one more time. Paste. Hit swap. Okay, MetaMask notices that. All right, now it's giving me the AVAX of how much gas is going to be. Hit confirm. New address detected. So this is, again, it's I have to do a few different confirmations, and each one of them costs gas. All right, so now I did both. All right, so it says stake. Here we go. Your V2 balance, 4.886 S crown. So as you can see, there's nothing else here. It moved over to version 2, and it is currently staked. So what I need to do is I need to add this to my wallet. I need to add this address. Let's go here, copy that contract. Because if I pull up my MetaMask and I go to assets, you'll see that it's not in here. You see escrow, staked crown and old crown. There's nothing there. So you have to go to import token, paste in the new address. This is the S crown. Go to import token. And there it is, 4.885 S crown is currently in my wallet. And while I'm at it, I might as well just go ahead and click on this one. And this is the regular crown. This is crown version 2. Go ahead, copy this. Add that to the wallet as well. And then I'll look at the assets. There it is. Let's go to assets. You see S crown is currently added. Import token. Paste. Add custom token. This is my crown. Import tokens. Cool. So, and as you can see, it's all here. The new version 2 state crown and the new version 2 crown, as well as the old stuff. I want to say that you can actually remove these from the, yeah, you can hide that so you don't have to see that again. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's all it is to it. Really easy, really simple. If you guys are running into any problems or issues, let me know in the comments below. I can try to see if I can walk you through it, but it's really self-explanatory. If you don't see your old crown or your old state crown in your wallet, you may need to go to the original website here while it's still up. Even though it says 0, go to add, go to crown and then go to add this token, the S crown and regular crown to your wallet, so that way you can see it in your wallet before swapping to version 2. But if you connect your wallet, you still should see these pop up anyway. You should still see the money in here with regular crown and S crown. So if this gave you any value, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting out more content about Midas in the future. I have a few videos coming up about my predictions with the first week of Midas. I will see you guys later. And again, until all are free, you guys take care. Peace out.